Hey, it's your boy Chef Javon. We're here at Meet the Masons again. Today, we're cooking grilled jerk shrimp and grits for you guys. I'm so excited because this is one of my traditional dishes and they knew about it. I just never cooked it for them. So come along and listen to why we cook these shrimp and grits. I'm just gonna use some water, so a little bit of butter, and we're gonna put some chicken broth in the water for our grits. And you can buy your shrimp deveined and peeled. I'm just gonna wash the shrimp with some lime, squeeze some lime into it. So we're gonna get some of this marinating and some jerk seasoning. Black pepper in there, just a little bit. Set up nice. Make sure that jerk is getting married with the shrimp. We want them well known with each other, get them well acquainted. It smells so divine. Get a little bit of olive oil in there because we're gonna throw this on a very hot grill. All right, we're gonna make this grill nice and hot. Grits is compared to polenta, what the Italians like to use. We're gonna cut some stuff up. We're gonna cut some garlic up. You know, if you know me, you know I love my fresh garlic. The Masons know now, because they know whenever I'm here, they gotta get some garlic. We ain't doing minced garlic, we ain't doing paste, stuff like that. We're gonna do fresh stuff, right? So we're gonna cut some fresh garlic up. This we're gonna add to the shrimp. So we're gonna make sure it's nice and mincy. So now we're gonna get an onion. All this we're preparing for our sauce. We're gonna jump over to the grits because we got our water that's nice and hot. Now, when adding your grits, you always wanna make sure you're gonna stir, all right? Because you don't want it to get lumpy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hydrate these grits. We're gonna hydrate them because what's gonna happen, they're gonna absorb all this fluid. So this right here is gonna hydrate real fast. All right, we're gonna turn that back up just a little bit. Our grill's getting nice and hot, almost ready to add that shrimp. So you remember how to cut an onion? We did that in another video. We're gonna go straight down. Just like so. We're gonna get back over to the grits because it's gonna start bubbling. So it's starting to bubble, starting to get thick. I'm gonna put a top on it. Now be careful with grits. When it starts popping, try to stay out the way because they're gonna pop off in your face and you ain't gonna be ready to face them back. No, I'm dead serious. You really gotta get some, like put the top in front of you because it got my head just now. And that sucker burned. The grill is ready. This don't take long to cook. Oh yeah. Yeah, Doc. Yeah, Doc. Yeah, Doc. This is what got me into cooking. Let's get over to the grits. You guys stay focused. Stay focused. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look how creamy that is. They're begging for hydration. Oh my gosh, somebody get a saline bag and an IV in them now. Oh my God. That's great. Oh, that's great. We're gonna add a little bit of heavy cream, just a little bit. We're gonna add the rest of this butter. Why am I playing? Yo, my mother be like, add the whole stick. We're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. It's already grated. All right, and then we're gonna throw the top on there. All right, don't forget about your shrimp. Now the best part about being a chef or cook is you create the dish. You are the artiste of this masterpiece. Oh my gosh, this is wonderful. Let's get the shrimps out. They're practically done. Whoa, it just gets better and better. And it's creamy, it's not grainy. This is the best part about being a chef. I don't know about you, but this is the best part. That's good. I just want to add a pinch of salt. We're gonna start to caramelize the onions because I don't want the garlic to burn. Going back over to the stove. All right, let's get these onions wet with some more butter. All right. When you caramelizing onions, you want them really wet. And once they all get wet, you don't want to disturb them. Now for this sauce, so white pancetta sauce. Look at you, get back in there. What you doing? You saw I'm trying to get away? Yeah, I'm telling you, food these days got mind of their own. Maybe that's why the food's being recalled these days, because they got mind of their own, right? You got your onions is nicely caramelizing. All right, so we're gonna get our pancetta. So you wanna cut this pancetta up. The plastic cutting boards are easy to clean. You know, you can throw some bleach on it, some lemon on it, some salt on it to clean your plastic cutting boards. But you don't want to do so much of that to your wood boards because it seeks into the grains of the wood. So we want to make sure all this is cut up. All right, let's throw this pancetta into the pan. Let's check out shrimp. Looks good. I'm gonna flip them over. So let's make sure this pancetta gets in here, right? With the shrimp, what we're doing with the shrimp, we just want to get some nice lines on the shrimp, some nice grill marks. You know the shrimp is done once it's orange, and you can feel the texture of it. It gets a little tough, because when it's raw, it's nice and soft. It looks beautiful in there. The rest of the cheese, we're gonna add to it once we start plating. The pancetta and the onions right now, they're getting married. See right here? They're getting married together right now. This is not for renal failure patients, okay? The sodium level is higher in pancetta than it is in bacon. Right now it's begging for more flavor, and we're gonna add some fresh garlic right now. I love liquid smoke, man. If you ain't got that grill outside and you want to give it that hickory flavor, this is it. So I just threw that back in there just to get the liquid smoke into the shrimp, get it, you know, in the shrimp. You notice a lot of multitasking when it comes to cooking. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make that white sauce by pouring some heavy cream in. But let's get this shrimp off. The pancetta, the onions has married, the onions is, and the garlic is married. We're gonna pour some heavy cream into the pot. I'm gonna turn this vinegar off. It's gonna get thicker. We're gonna add a little bit of cheese, our Parmesan cheese. Now with this, you can, like I said, the best part of being a chef, you adding whatever you want to add. As you can see, the longer you keep it on the temperature, it gets thickened. Now here's the trick about making some sauce. The sauce will start breaking up. And how you get it back to that is by adding water. I was making some white sauce for my mother one time, and I was making a large quantity. And you know, when catering and cooking is like totally different. So when you're making a large quantity, it's not always the same. So I was making the sauce and it started falling apart. Like, why is the ingredients separating? And I immediately had to Google or text some of my chef associates and ask them like, what's going on? And that's when they told me to just add water. I was like, what? Water? Yeah, and believe it be, it came back together. So we got this nice, wonderful sauce. So let's add the rest of this heavy cream. Let's let that get married. We get our cheese, just a little bit. All right, last time this gets thick, that's when you turn it off. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter, like I said. And right now it's thickening up in the middle. In life, you just gotta make it do what it do. Whatever you got, whatever you are able to obtain, whatever God allows you to have, you gotta make it do. That's why I like saying it. You gotta make it do what it do, baby, until you get more. That's it. So that's basically that. Let's touch these grits, man. Oh my gosh, that's it right there. It's not grainy, it's creamy, and it falls right off the device. You see that? Now, you know this is the best part about being a chef, tasting it. So you have nothing else but to do but taste it. This is the best one I've ever done. I'm talking about, it's not salty, it's not too black pepperish, no kick. Now, I gotta taste the shrimp, you know. That's one thing I didn't taste throughout this whole day. You taste the liquid smoke, you taste a little of the jerk seasoning. It's not spicy, it's, Listen, you know how to do. You gotta make it do what it do. It's your boy, Chef Javon, for For more of my recipes, go to chefjavon.com. For more of the Masons, meet the Masons. They're professional vloggers, all right? Go to the YouTube channel, check them out, show your support, show your love. Love you too. Later. Here you have grilled jerk shrimp and grits with a white cream sauce.